My name is Gerd Wotowa. I'm the project coordinator of the UNATIX AV project, working for the Austrian Meteorological Institute in Vienna. We conducted an exercise this week here in the city of Salzburg. The important element of the exercise is to try out and to demonstrate the value of the project, important contributions to scientific developments in many areas.
We have, I call it the scientific cells here on the right side from my point of view, and we have the aviation cells and military on the left side. And for each of the days, we will show what observational data we have, what kind of warning messages are produced out of them, which modeling applications they trigger, in the end what model analysis will be available, and also we simulated some kind of forecast that will be provided by the volcanic ash advisory centers. And after that, we continue to go to the aviation cells, which are on the left side from my point of view, and they will pick or have already picked some interesting times during each of the days. So we will go through the phases, business as usual, pre-alert, disruption, crisis, and recovery.
Volunteer 1 is Romeo confirmed, ready for departure?
Volunteer 1 is Romeo, ready for departure.
Volunteer 1 to Romeo, wing is calm, runway 06, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff. Volunteer 1 is Romeo.
We will have a blow-up of the Etna eruption, and this video should a little bit exemplify how it could look like.
Thank you. We're already a little bit involved about the situation. Please keep me informed about yours.
At the moment we continue as planned.
Roger. A few comments from the cockpit now. Of course, we will evaluate the situation and look at the alternatives, what the severity is and the expected impact. But for the time being, it doesn't look too bad, and Mount Etna is erupting from time to time, so we continue the approach.
What I like about Joint ARIX is that it includes measurements that are processed, and it's not just a forecast from a volcanic eruption that took place 2 days ago or something.
The project will end in September this year, in 2019. So in the future, one is certainly development of products and services for the aviation business. And the second one is the development of projects in areas where not everything is ready yet for a service, and where future scientific work is still required. And we estimate at the moment that in 3 to 5 years, many elements can be really put in operational frameworks, yeah? And this can make a big contribution also to the safety of the European aviation, and also to the system stability, also in case that unexpected events happen, like big volcano eruptions or accidents in nuclear installations, for example, big forest fires, and for example dust storms.
UNATIX AV, the future of aviation safety.